Senator Marco Rubio was in South Florida today touring some of the hardest hit areas by both red tide and blue-green algae in Captiva.
Rubio says the key to solve these water issues is the Everglades Restoration Project.
Sadly, every summer now it feels like Florida is being plagued by a recurring algae bloom, which is a slow-moving crisis that's seemingly too big for Tallahassee to tackle by themselves, but sadly has been too small for Washington to notice apparently. I've seen firsthand the impacts that toxic blue-green algae and red tide are having on our communities and on our businesses all throughout South Florida and along both of our coasts. Now we're making progress, but we have to stay focused. I'm proud to be leading the charge in the Senate to restore the Everglades and to improve water quality in Florida. I've secured more than $10 million in funding for agencies that are working to address these harmful blooms, and I've also been working to provide assistance to Florida businesses, some of which have been deeply impacted and affected by the current outbreaks. But our efforts are not going to stop there. I just introduced a proposal to ensure that the federal government upholds its responsibility to understand the health impacts that this is having on all of the communities that it's impacting. And in addition, I've now proposed a new bill that will focus federal resources on understanding both our blue-green algae and our red tide problems, and then developing an action plan with the state of Florida to solve these challenges once and for all. What this bill is it's a chance for Congress to bring relief to the impacted communities in our state. We have an opportunity before us to continue to fight for Florida and get a good result for our people. And I'm urging my colleagues to act quickly. Let's get it done.